So I'm alone see a whole video where Jaifrass dropped about 20 hours ago where I interview this one woman. Remember what she name? But what me I like it now is umbre, we know saying that your responsibility to grow nobody picnic, especially with girl picnic them in Jamaica. We all understand that. So don't come at me when time I say you know motivate no picnic when you carry them at picnic. People are buying something. Everybody right across Jamaica watch your show, brother. And when you show them like a young teenager, them kind of video with this kind of woman, bro. What you try to tell them say? You figure out a road and run up on them with 10 different banana games next and run up mileage on the cat. You feel like a good something, brother? You put out there? I'm not bashing a Jaifrass, because I rate your interview. But you don't find me lose respect for you? When you this, walk on top. I don't know if you anima play a mind game to make him sure. Pull up, but guess what? You need to come down, brother. I'm going to interview some real woman at Jamaica. What do you say you go? Mark Golden. And I say, yes, youth. I right place, I right tree, them I crawl up. And I put on for Jamaica. You see me? But when me see you go there, so dog, even though she was say, oh, I'll go toxic talk, mommy. Toxic talk. Me understand where you come from. But bro, you can't do toxic talk with some real woman, bro. You can't do toxic talk with that woman because my little daughter, which me not a daughter. I'm want a daughter soon. I'm supposed to come in my room and watch the TV, I watch your show. And when me look, my daughter come in her room and I watch it with me. You get me I say? Inspirational come from all angles. But guess what? That not inspirational thing. No female at all, bro. That they interview there, with that they sitting there. Come on, bro. Me go put it on here still. But guess what? You're a good youth, you know. But me need you to stop interview some of them. Stop me here. Them Gen Z here. Them stop me here, bro. You need to stop now, brother. Come enjoy the show, bro. Want me see them?
This is the latest in dancehall and social media news so far. Jaifrass has become the current talk of the town because of his interviews with the infamous Cute Boss, and people including this man on screen has been very vocal about this particular interview. Here are snippets from this controversial interview.
It's like I'm telling you. My push over me bad. I'll know in that old age you touch over me. But you know, you more avoid mankind them. Cause being as from me have no body man son and find out say I don't want discuss no problem, you know. Cause this is a kind of worm where Jamaican people are ready for. But a 10% a straight man there.
10%?
10. If I so much. Trust me. But because people just don't know. That's the problem. People just know. You see, from scamming come, it have gone before the scamming.
Yeah, what the scamming for real.
The scamming made it widespread. And trust me. And I'm a real shape this, you know. I know some shape, me shape good, you know. Me have my 2 dolls and Gabbana slippers, them stand up in my chest and my cock up. I people business in my belly because I can't talk.
So that's how you talk up, Mark.
Yeah,
no, you know, you have something about the scam.
Me did that with this guy who take my maiden. Me did with him for 6 years. Him take my maiden and everything. Good look a girl I behave. And then me see him this, me fear a girl where all Duracell she get. You know what me call it? Panasonic and So it's about 3 years in a road. So me I say then, good girl like me, I get this about 3 years out of way you then. You understand me? So I realize say boy them not really like when girl feel them good. So me see it happen all the time. My mother take 3 man. So me just come run up my pussy mileage. Because none of 3 man never want her. You understand me? And my mother a good girl. My mother they gone with a good pussy come go where me eat it. So me not left nothing for come go where me eat. Cause I asked a big man who look me one time. He work at, he manage one of the Jamaica National Bank. As I get a girl, he look me. And he said to me, say, he want to carry me go where he live down at Clarendon. And I said, Venus, me I take your things and me like you and you like me. You don't know for bubbles and clip up, you know, so me I go give you for reach at Clarendon. So you want me go call the doctor go check out. Him say, why? Say, you don't trust me? Me say, right now, the fact say you trust me can't trust you. You understand me? Because if me come from down in the ghetto here, society people, oh, you are going to trust me if you're going to lay down with me, you know not about me. From that, him don't call me back. So me know say something never right. So that's why I would have wish every female would have be just vigilant. You understand me? And don't f*** anxiety. Because anxiety can
and boredom.
Yeah. So you have to stand up for you. It's either you stand up for what you believe in or you want to fall for nothing. So me have the advice to give them, because men these days tends to use money. Either them use it to control you, or them use it to catch you, for use you. So if them smart enough, them for just believe in themselves, because all of we have inner strength. You have to just believe in yourself and go for your independence, because you have female who in them head them set them a wait upon a money man or a rich man.
Yeah, they not go fit to themselves, them wait.
So my advice to them is go for your own. You see, when you go for your own, nobody can manipulate you. Nobody can use you. You understand me? You're there on your own. So if a boy moving foot, you can't drop. Yeah. So discernment in today's world is needed. You understand me? Females need to learn how to judge right. Because a man with money look me now is scared.
Honestly, I don't see her encouraging her lifestyle. I see her encouraging young girls to be smart when dating. So why are some men so upset about the reality of what's happening in Jamaica? I think the real reason they are so pissed, it's because if females get smarter and follow her advice, they won't be able to run their games on them so easily. Anytime you see someone point out someone else's flaws, be sure to know they are guilty of what they are pointing out, and what is wrong with her encouraging females to get tested. That's excellent advice, because some of these men are running the streets harder than the Gen Zs, but be wanting you to accept that they are clean when they know something wrong with they ass.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
Jaden is at it again. Or whoever released a sex tape of Ashley, his ex-girlfriend, on the internet. And it as had Jamaican TikTok talking. Revenge porn has been a reoccurrence in Jamaica, and I feel like more should be done by the authorities to prevent this type of thing. Not only did Jaden release a tape of Ashley, he exposed that he really might have been the one who exposed Ashley when he apologized to Fabi, his other ex-girlfriend, after she miscarried with his baby. He released footage of her underwear with a brown substance, accusing Fabi of maybe having a STD, knowing full well Fabi had a miscarriage.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
The things people do to stay relevant on the internet and money.
Hi everyone, my name is Takisha, but you know me as Ashley. I'm a 26-year-old mother of a beautiful baby boy, and recently I became a victim of revenge porn. My at the time 23-year-old TikToker boyfriend Carlos Wilson, also known as Jaden, took screenshots of me while we were having an intimate moment on a WhatsApp video call a couple months ago. He was also naked in the call, but he hid his own body with a smiley face. So unfortunately, my private parts are being discussed in group chats. People are asking each other to send them the pics. And anyone who wants to know what my underneath looks like only has to do one quick Google search. For generations, women like me and you have fought against powerful and loved by the public men that have hid their abuse and wicked ways with smiles, jokes, money, and fame. And unfortunately, I have fallen victim to a man just like that.
Anyways, Ashley got her own revenge in her own way by exposing what she does to Jaden in the bedroom. According to Ashley, Jaden likes to be brushed in his hay-hole. I'm guessing she straps on his favorite toys, too. What a way the boy want to embarrass you, but can't take what they dish. Usain Bolt's father, Wellesley Bolt, has passed. It is said that the star athlete's dad passed after battling a lengthy sickness. Bolt's father was 68 years old. Vybz Kartel performs in Bahamas with Spice at Tortula BVI, and things got a little X-rated. Did Seedom sign up for this?
Boy, you get comfortable. Pass that chair there. Boy, you get comfortable. Sit down, yourself. Can you see when you're there in prison? We don't fantasize about this. Yes. But you're not there in prison again. I'm here, baby. So I'm going to fulfill my fantasy tonight. Feel it, baby. One day you asked me a question. What did I say? You called me and you said, Spice. Yes. How are your favorite sex position? Yes. I'm going to tell you tonight. Please do. See those folk back here. Yeah, you do this, I'm going to do this for
Seedom, you see this, or you just don't see them.